Last year, we raised a whopping £2,860,897.
This year, we asked you to go bigger.
Stronger.
Give me a second.
Louder than ever before.
Oh my God, there's bits in my mouth.
About to take part as a model in a life drawing class.
Global's Make Some Noise 2017 saw you running.
Kayaking.
We passed the 100-mile mark.
Swimming.
If he goes off 3 metre now, that deserves a donation.
Inking.
And bearing all.
From raising money
to raising spirits. Supporting those who really need it. We made some noise for the small, unheard charities who have the biggest dreams. And thanks to everything you've done, we've really been able to make a difference.
When I go to the hospital, it really hurts me when I have needles. And I don't like it, but that's what I'm going to have to go through. And I would really like if they could take my caminoma out, but that might not happen.
Last year, my brother had a motorbike collision in Birchwood and he hit his head on the corner of the wall. And then later that day, he passed away.
I come here to kind of help me cope with losing my mama, which I was super close to. And with her pass away, I got super angry, changing all sadness to anger.
If I didn't know about this place, I'd be lost because this has helped me to get back where I was before.
Hi, I'm Harry and I'm 8 years old. I was born without my lower left arm. Living with upper arm difference can be very tricky. Sometimes there are things that you can't do. Reach is one of them charities when you first see it, you just know it's going to be brilliant because at Reach you can always ask somebody how they managed to do it and there will always be an answer.
Your efforts, no matter how big or small, have changed lives.
The grand total, £61,548.
We responded so generously. We've raised over £40,000 since we went on the radio at 6:30 this morning.
So here's to the bold.
You promised me you weren't going to cut.
Boring as well.
The brave.
1, 2.
And the beautiful.
Extraordinary becoming Debbie Harry for Make Some Noise.
And everyone who supported.
Thank you to everyone who made some noise.
Hey! Oh, one more, come on.
I suppose it's for charity though.
This year we raised a phenomenal £3,534,628.
Here's to us. Make some noise.